is up next, Daniel?
Now we go from love to violence. Let's welcome from Indonesia, from Regent School Bali, Timothy Rafael Herawan.
Hello, Timothy.
Hello.
Should we stand back?
I think so.
I think so too. I fear for the cat.
He said, yeah.
I think we should like you guys should like be all like a bit over there because there's gonna be boards flying everywhere.
Oh, literally.
Yes. So
Ooh,
yeah,
that's pretty cool.
And what about them? Should they be somewhere safe?
they're holding my boards.
Whoa, the flying boards, they're going to hold them? Are they going to fly with them?
Yes, because gravity doesn't exist.
That concerns me. It feels like they're going to be the people holding the cat that gets kicked by Arsh.
Yeah.
you
Be
guys gotta say
careful.
about
Be
that?
careful.
Pretty much.
That's true. Yeah.
Okay, so would you like to tell us what sort of martial art you will be performing?
I will be doing the traditional Korean martial art Taekwondo.
Mm-hmm.
And I am from Indonesia, so it's pretty hard. Like, I want to give my thanks to my teacher, first of all, for teaching me how to do this way, like kick and do these acrobatics. And I hope I can give out a good performance to you guys. And
I'm sure
yeah,
you will.
thank you. Yes.
And teachers are great. They give nicknames. They teach us how to kick.
Yeah.
They
They
teach us
inspire
all the
piano, yeah.
essentials to life.
Yeah.
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 Okay, and would
Kick
you...
names.
Is there a sort of belt hierarchy in Taekwondo?
Yes. Currently, I am the black belt.
Ooh.
But I forgot to bring my belt, so I'm using the second lower belt. to
Okay,
go from
so
black.
it's highest one is black,
Yes.
red,
Wow.
Red.
and what
then
else?
Blue, and then there is green, yellow to white.
So
Awesome.
you're camouflaged as a red
Yes,
belt right now.
yes,
okay.
I am.
So you've been doing this for a while.
For over 10 years.
Wow. Okay. Well, very huge respect to
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right, and we look forward to seeing it.
We have some music queued up for you, I believe.
Yes.
Just let us know when to play it. That's a lot of years. It might not be the specific track because there are 26 songs on the YouTube link.
I think we need to pick the first one, the epic battle.
Epic ballad? Hold on one second.
I might miss this though.
I think it was Peo. Hey, come back. It was Peo Song or something? How do you spell it?
Pomse. I've actually never done Pomse before. I'm the fighter, so.
All right, new music for a new attack.
You want Popsy Taekwondo?
Pomse Taekwondo, music. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And it was this one, right?
Yes. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Go for it.
That was incredible and so dramatic. Who got the wood? Wow.
Wow. Wow. Okay. So I don't think this was like planned,
Yeah, no.
but yeah.
Improvising is the name of the game.
No, but I think that he was upset with them, but it turned out to be like the perfect like break, and
Yeah.
it was great.
It was an amazing like jump up and then
How
Yeah.
high can you jump and kick?
You want me to show you how?
Whoa, okay, so you can pretty much fully...
Yes, I can probably extend my leg to a.
I'm so sorry, I need to ask, could you destroy the cat?
Yes.
I don't think.
Should I do it?
Sure, let's get the music going. Wait, we need your music.
But, okay, it's gonna hurt, so don't do it.
Yeah, I don't think I should do it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all right.
Do you want to destroy a tack stole?
Is there anything else you'd like to destroy?
I have 2 more boards
Another
left.
board.
You want to destroy more boards?
I
You
want
wanna
to hold
try?
it. Can I hold it?
Sure, I guess.
Living life on the edge. No, he's the kicker.
If you want to try and break one, you could.
Me break one.
Yes.
That's not the sport I do. I am holding it.
Um,
Yeah. Sorry.
Whoa. That was very impressive. Anything else? One more board. Arsh, you want to hold the board? I know you want to be in on this destruction thing. All right, Arsh will hold the board. Again? Try again, and Arsh, don't move.
Redo.
You are such, not just a Taekwondo expert, but a gymnast. So impressive. Oh, and you might also need some chiropractic.
It's okay. We're in Thailand. You can go get a massage.
that is something I should probably
And it's
do.
a sports massage, but be wary. The sports massages are very painful.
Oh yeah, they are.
They're incredibly painful. But okay,
Body fusion, 4th floor.
you've been doing this for 10 years. I was afraid that my acrylics would fly off, but thankfully they didn't.
I've been doing the fighting sport, not the. So this is actually my first time performing the breaking board sport.
Oh,
Yes.
so that's completely separate.
Yes, I've been doing the
waving
fighting
the-
sport.
So you
Would
can
you
either
like the
fight
board
other
back?
people or you can fight boards.
Usually I fight people. I've actually been in the tournament of pon, and I hope to go to the Olympics someday.
Oh, that's awesome.
We really wish you great luck with
Yes,
that.
thank
Please
you.
keep us
Thank you
posted.
so
Scholars,
much.
please
Thank
give a
you.
huge round of applause. This was an incredible demonstration of physical fortitude and dexterity.
Oh, that's so amazing.
We're giving,
Oh.
they want us to decorate the stage with the boards. I can do that. All right,
Oh.
you call the next person, I do some more props.
We are getting so many different things that are gonna probably end up being awards after.